All right, today I'm going to share with you 5 of the most common financial mistakes I see brand new entrepreneurs make almost every day. Number 1, not keeping business and personal finances separate. I see a lot of people running things through their personal bank accounts where they've got their business income and expenses as well as all of their personal expenses. You want to keep this stuff separate. Have a separate bank account, just business in that business account, then all your personal stuff in a personal account. Just keeping things completely separate makes it a lot more clear cut when it comes time to do taxes, when it comes time to tell how profitable you are at the end of the year. Number 2, biggest mistake I see is failing to create some sort of a budget for your business, knowing or anticipating how much money is going to come in over a certain period of time, knowing what's going out so that you can see how profitable you are. Number 3 is ignoring or forgetting about tax obligations. This could be income taxes on the profit of their business, self-employment taxes, which a lot of people forget about, as well as sales tax. If you're selling a product, chances are you probably do need to be collecting and remitting sales tax for the product that you're selling. Number 4 biggest mistake that I see is overlooking the importance of cash flow management. People think that, I'm going to invoice this client, I'm going to get money at some point. Well, you do need to see the timing of that. People need to understand at what time money's going to come in, because I have other money that needs to go out, right? I have to pay bills, I have to pay contractors who are working for me, I've got to pay my rent. Understanding and having a clear, a pulse on the flow of cash in your business and how long it takes to come in, how long it takes to go out, how much you have left over. Super important. Without proper cash flow management, a lot of businesses will die. And then lastly, one of the biggest things that I see, or financial mistakes that I see people make when starting a business, is not planning for the future. They only think about tomorrow or maybe the next few days, but they don't start to think about strategically what they're doing today, not just with their money, but with their operations. How are they setting themselves up to be in the place that they want to be 6 months from now, a year from now, 3 years from now? And they end up becoming overwhelmed. They end up taking on so much work, and they haven't thought about the future of hiring an employee or saving up for maybe the next big capital purchase of a vehicle or building. And that's where I see them fail. So if this was helpful for you, please share, like. If you think I missed some of the top 5 things, please feel free to drop them in the comments.